Hey, this is Corey Boljoff, the real estate guy, bringing you another listing here at 19177 Bension Drive in Santa Clarita. This is the Plum Canyon Executive Home that boasts 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, over 4,700 square feet. This home has the best to offer in current styles and best standards, including energy efficient certification, solar panels that are owned, and a floor plan that suits any buyer's needs. Come on in, let's go check it out. So as we come into this great floor plan, we have a full bedroom and bathroom downstairs, which leads right into our formal dining room, washroom, and a full walk-in pantry. So as we come into this amazing kitchen, you're gonna notice a huge breakfast island, perfect for entertaining your guests, white quartz countertops, walnut cabinets, stainless steel appliances with a huge open floor concept, perfect for any chef's dream or an entertainer's fan. So as we come upstairs, we have a huge loft, perfect for a playroom, maybe a secondary den. Leads right into the upstairs laundry room, and there's 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths, and the best part is the master on the other side. Welcome to the master retreat. We have recessed lighting, a huge master walk-in closet, and a bathroom to die for. So as you can see, this home truly has it all. Top this off with a community pool, huge park, close to hiking trails, and close to shopping. Again, this is Corey Boljoff, the real estate guy, covering from San Diego to Santa Barbara. Always here to help, never to pressure. Promise to deliver 5-star service. Call me.